Hey, let's do our thing out there, boys, all right? Man versus man. We're like gladiators. Yeah! There's a hunt out there. Yeah! Let's go, Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants!
Another week. Time to log in, go digital. You're done with it. All right, coach.
Giants back home versus the Bears. Leeway gonna get a touchdown today. Defense make plays, baby. That's all we saying. Just make plays. Be great today. Great communication, great eyes, and be on point. Let's be great today, DB. Be the best on the field. Let's do this. Let's show about. DB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. DB. I got one question for you. Why not, man? Why not today? Don't nobody believe in us but us, man. We got one opportunity today. Worry about today. That's all we need. Nothing else matters but today. Seize that opportunity today. Play for each other. Hold out. 60 minutes. Give everything you got. Here we go. What time is it? Game time. What time is it? Game time. What time is it? Game time. It does it all. It does it all. It does it all. Here we go. Here we go. Bring it in. Bring it in. Here we go. Hey, together on 3. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Together.
6 defensive backs. Chase Daniel, the shotgun set. Quick release pass left. Jumped and intercepted by the Giants. Ogletree picked it off. Fighting for the end zone, and he's in for the touchdown. Alec Ogletree jumped into the passing lane. He tipped it to himself and took it in. His second pick 6 of the season. And the Giants give the Bears a taste of their own medicine with a defensive touchdown to take the early lead.
But can you get you 2? Can you get 2? That's the question. That's the question.
7-7 the score, early second. Daniel takes a shotgun snap. He's back. He fires one left of the pass. Intercepted by Ogletree. He jumped in the passing lane at the 20, out to the 30, and finally wrestled at the 34-yard line. He made a one-handed Odell-like interception.
Hey, hear me.
Is that another 2-piece?
2 pieces of biscuit.
Are you kidding me? 2 pieces? 2 pieces?
Okay, Odell. Yeah, give me that.
3rd and 23. They just hand it off for Barkley. Barkley darts up the middle, reverses his field to the right. Barkley keeps his feet. Barkley gets to midfield. What a run by Barkley. He's short of the first down by 1.5 yards with 6 seconds to go. So now Rosas will come on to try a 57-yard field goal. Snap is good. Kick on its way. End over end. It's got the distance. It is good. How about that? The Giants got 3 at the end of the half. Rosas with a career-long 57-yarder.
You can't be afraid of these guys. You got to put it right on them and make them defend.
End around to Odell Beckham Jr. He's looking to pass it. Now he's going to throw it down the middle of the field. Wide open. Caught at the 5 and in for the touchdown is Russell Shepard. Wow. 49 yards. Beckham's second touchdown pass of the season, and the Giants are back in front.
It don't matter. Nice job. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. Good job.
What they haven't come with yet is the jet sweep.
Yeah.
Right? They got to start. Right now, the inside zone, we've been hitting them with it. You got to be ready now for him to come back to the jet sweep, trying to push it to the outside here, right?
Ball at the 1, 1st and goal, 3 seconds to go. Giants up by 7. Daniel takes the snap. They roll right. Cohen throws it in the end zone. Touchdown, Chicago! Anthony Miller. Tariq Cohen with a touchdown pass. And the Bears have come back from a 10-point deficit, send the game to overtime. Offset eye right. Manning tosses right to Barkley. Barkley across the 30. Barkley to the 35. He's to the 40, to the 45. Still running down the right sideline. And finally knocked out of bounds at the Bears' 46-yard line. Snap is good. Kick on its way. It's got the distance, and it is right down Broadway. So with 5:57 to go in overtime, Giants 30, Bears 27. From their own 40. Daniel in a shotgun set. Cohen to his left. He takes the snap. Giants bring pressure. Daniel slides left, now throws a deep ball down the middle of the field. Pass batted away, incomplete. Jarvis Jenkins knocked it away, and the Giants will win the ball game 30-27 in overtime.
Hell of a battle, brother. Stay healthy.
Yeah, you too, man. Thank you very much.
What matters in life are tough people. Tough people that are resilient, right? And no matter what happens, just keep going, right? That's part of learning. That's part of flipping culture. That's part of learning how to win, is digging down and understanding how important resiliency is. We can beat anybody we play if we play the right way. I've said it all year, and I believe it. This is a great group. And we got a lot out there for us, right? So when you go home tonight, hug your kids, kiss your wife, do whatever you do, right? And enjoy the fact that you guys are tough, resilient people, right? And we'll come back tomorrow and get back to work.
Here we go. Together on three. 1, 2, 3. Together.